Hey, what are you guys doing here?
The land is dying. We need your help.
Yeah, whatever. Sucks more for me. Yeah.
Touche. Look, here comes Creon.
Hey, I talked to Apollo, okay?
Okay, what did he say?
We gotta get rid of the guy that killed Laius, okay?
I'll do it myself. I'll take down that son of a mortal human.
We should ask Tiresias about his opinion. He always has good ideas, okay?
Oh, okay.
Everyone, Tiresias is here. Let the party start.
I know something they don't. Ah.
Hey, can you help us figure out, who killed Laius and stuff?
You should already know that. If I tell you, then it'll just bring you more pain.
Okay, so why'd we bring you here? Just go home already, okay? Go away.
Fine. I really don't want to be here. I'm missing The Price is Right anyways.
Creon, are you trying to just blame this all on me?
No, I'm not, okay?
Yeah, you are. I can see right through you.
No, bro. You got me all wrong, dude, okay?
Don't lie to me.
I'm not, okay?
What's your guys' problem?
Creon is saying that I killed Laius.
What?
I'm just gonna go away now.
Yeah, his prophet said so.
That is not possible. A prophecy that our son would kill Laius didn't come true because our son was killed as a baby and Laius died at a place where 3 roads meet.
3 roads? That sounds familiar.
Oh, just driving my wagon around. Oh, down the countryside. Oh, who are you?
Hey, I'm not in a good mood, man. You really don't want to talk to me.
Huh? What?
Okay, that's it. You hit the last straw. You're gonna die now.
Huh?
And now you die, friend.
I'm not your friend, guy.
I knew I shouldn't have skipped anger management class. Hey, I need to talk to the one guy that survived from all that stuff.
Hey, guys up there. I need to help. I need your guidance on what to do with Oedipus right now. He's acting really weird.
Hey, Polysius is dead.
Oh my god. Hey, look, guy, go get Oedipus for me.
What's the deal?
Well, your father, is, dead now.
I must still fear my mother's bed.
Hey, Oedipus, you forgot your sash.
Thanks.
You all have a nice day.
No. Anyways, I'm pretty sure, those aren't your real parents. Huh? What?
Oh my God! Oh my God! Ah!
What just happened there?
Hey, Oedipus, I'm a shepherd guy. When you were but a small child, your parents gave you to me to be killed, but I took pity on you and gave you to another shepherd dude.
What? Wait. Oh my God! I married my mother?
Ah! Hey, Oedipus! I think Jocasta killed herself.
No, I can't believe this happened. No. No, why did all this have to happen? It burns. Hey, Oedipus, did I come at a bad time? Yeah, go away. Okay, bye, Oedipus! I am no longer fit to rule. Why didn't I just listen to the people around me from the start? We could have avoided all this mess.